Hey guys, so this will be a tutorial to show you how to install the two custom mod folders that we're providing for Task Force Wolfpack. So the main one is just this custom file that we have. It's the custom 2. The other one has everything that we need in it. So we'll go ahead and click the link that's in the mods list, and we'll open this up. It'll decrypt the folder. So I made an account to make this easy, but Mega gives you the first 20 gigs free and whatever. But basically, you'll download it as a zip, and then once it's done, you should be able to. It should show up right here in your downloads as a custom zip here. So this is where you need WinRAR or OpenZip or whatever you want. But for this, we're using WinRAR. So all you'll do is open with WinRAR and take this and drag it to your desktop, and that'll probably be the that'll be the easiest way as of right now to get this. So we'll go ahead and just do that. It'll start to do all the downloading. Just give it a moment. And it's going to download the mass amount of stuff. So anyways, I'm going to cancel it for right now. It's not the end of the world that it's out here and I cancel, but you will just let it roll the whole time. So right now I have my custom thing here. We'll go ahead and get out of the um, out of this one, and we'll close it, or we'll just close that for the sake of this. Then we'll open up a new thing. So go to your local drive, go to your program files 86, and then go to your Steam apps, common, and then go to Arma 3. Um, so you'll see it on mine, but this is how yours will look. You'll have to hit the view button and show the view hidden items. So basically, if you don't have that already checked, this is what it's going to look like. So what you'll have to do is go hit view and go to hidden items. I know it's a little ass backwards. So we're going to go to the exclamation point workshop, and then you're just going to drag and drop this. I'm not going to do it as I already have it, and you can see it right here. Make sure when you're doing this, you're not dropping the files into a folder. So if you're doing it, make it big and open, and or maybe not big and open, but maybe keep it, whatever you want. Or if you have two monitors, that's even better. And then just drag this and make sure it says move to exclamation point workshop, and then it should be there. So then we'll make this a little smaller, and we'll take our arm up. And then basically what you'll do is you'll take your custom 2 and drag it over here. It'll stay in the workshop file. It basically just copies it into there to basically it loads in there, because unfortunately for whatever reason this doesn't work. And then with the other mod, let me see where it is. The United States Marine Corps one, you'll just do the same. So pretty simple, not too hard. So you'll just drag and drop from there. You can try to see if you just drag and drop it into the launcher without going that route. If that works, I know that's an old way that used to work all the time for me. Um, but as you can see here, I'll go ahead and pull up my game. All the TFL mods are already in. Let's see, all the TFL stuff is here, and then I don't know what the U.S. Army stuff is under, but I believe it is there. Here, we'll see just here in a quick second. But that's pretty much it for this. So, anyways, guys, that should pretty much cover it. And if you have any questions, reach out to us, and we'll be able to help you.